Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your Bianca guest. Today I'm going to be doing just a light nude 2-color eyeshadow. Okay, in case you love light eyeshadow, the tutorial of this eyebrow, sorry, the tutorial of this eyebrow is on my channel. Okay, in case I upload the makeup before the eyebrow, don't worry, just try and search it. Okay, I will just name it beginner's eyebrow. Okay, so that is it. I just make it easy the way anybody can learn from it. In case you love both eyebrow, this like this is okay, it's very good and mature one. Okay, so let's go for the makeup. I will just take my concealer, any color of it, then just apply it on my eyelid here, eyelid, whatever. So I will just go in this way and make sure you are not very ready. I'll just press it along and to the other side, same thing. Okay, yeah, back to this magic palette. You guys remember this palette? Okay, so this palette is the one I will be using for today. So the color I will be going into, first of all, I will use this nude here to set my eyelid that I use concealer for. So I'll just take my clean brush, then go for the color and use it to set it. And anyway you are good in blending, just blend it, but make sure you blend. Blending is everything in makeup, and be patient with it. Okay, so always try, don't be lazy in blending, just try and blend your makeup, have the time to blend. Okay, so this very color is just to set everything. In case you have the palette, you will enjoy this palette, and once you have one is one, this palette is everything. Look at that. Yeah, this palette is everything. Yeah, this palette is everything. Okay, so it's everything, and it's for the rest of your life. Imagine I'll be using it, but look as if I haven't tried it. Okay, so sorry for wasting the time, but don't worry, I'm just trying to explain so that in case you want to buy this palette, go for this. Once you have this one palette, you have it all. Okay, if you wish to have other palette, okay, that is left for you. But as a makeup artist, we love to do collection, we love to try many products. But if you are not a makeup artist, it's just for personal use, I will recommend this palette. Only just this palette is everything for you. Okay, so that is a keep on watching. Okay, the next color we'll be going into is this one, 1 into 1 into 1 into. Okay, so that is it. The first color, I will just take the first, the one that is a little bit more lighter, this very one here. Look at, see if it's yellow, just use it this way. This one is more lighter, the one that is more lighter will go first on top of my upper crease here. Okay, yeah, use it as a transitional base. This will be my base. Okay, my outer base here. Okay, so now we'll make sure I blend it. And my home satisfaction, you guys know that I love when my thing is poppy and when it's well blended. Yeah, okay, so to the other color, to the darkest color here, I will use the brush I used earlier before. Yeah, because this one is more dark. Yeah, leave it here. Okay, you're gonna look as if it's I don't even know, just like I don't even know the name to call it, just like sand color. Yeah, okay, then I will not blend everything together here. The place I have the first color and this other color, I'll just type it there and blend it. So just a soft color look, and our line, and it is done. So I'll be adding this dark brown here, this dark brown glinters to here, because I love when here is a little bit more shiny one. Okay, so that is it. I don't know what is wrong with my camera. The thing was a little bit like buffering. I think the phone is tired now. The phone has been suffering for some times now concerning my streaming, but it's fine. This way will be there soon. So I just added a little bit of brown gold. I'll align it now. I'll adjust and then that's it. So the contouring moment, I just did the rest of camera. The weather has changed now, like it's changed now. It's fine.
Runs through my blood like a cancer fatal to the soul. Every attempt on my behalf has failed to bring the sickness under control. Tell me what's going on inside of me. I despise my own behavior. This only serves to confirm my suspicions that I'm still someone in need of the Savior. I wanna be in the light, cause you are in the light. I wanna shine like the stars in heaven. Oh Lord, be the light and my salvation. I wanna dwell in the light, as you are in the light. There's no other place we ought to be, no other place we should be. There's no place that's just right. It's gotta be in the light. It's gotta be in the light. I wanna be in the light. It's gotta be in the light. In the light, in the light, in the light. I wanna be in the light. Oh, we all need the light. We all need the Lord. We need to dwell in the light. The Lord is the light. We all need the Lord. We need to dwell in the light. For the Lord is the light. We all need the light. We all need the Lord. We need to dwell in the light. For the Lord is the light. We all need the light. We all need the Lord. In the light. For the Lord is the light. We all need the light. We all need the Lord. We need to dwell in the light. For the Lord is the light. We all need the light.
This pencil is from Divas.
We're gonna profess. We need to tell the Lord how desperate we are for His light. Are you ready? Oh, let's praise Him. We all need the light. We all need the Lord. We need to dwell in the light. For the Lord lives in light. We all need the Lord. We all need the Lord. We need to dwell in the Lord. For the Lord lives in light. I've been trying to find the light on my own, apart from you. I am the king of excuses. I've got one for every selfish thing I do. Tell me what's going on inside of me. I despise my own behavior. This only has to come from my suspicions that I'm still someone in need of the you are in the light. I wanna shine in heaven. Oh Lord, be my light and be my salvation. I wanna dwell in the light as you are in the light. I wanna be in the light as you are in the light. I wanna shine like the stars in heaven, in heaven. Oh Lord, be my light and be my salvation. I wanna
Thank you for sharing. I appreciate it. God bless you. You guys are blessed, wonderfully, wonderful,
like a
amazing,
cancer
quaint icon.
fatal to
Thank
the
you for
soul.
watching. God bless you.